Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best travel foundation container is probably one of the most essential items for any makeup enthusiast who travels, offering a convenient and mess-free way to bring your favorite liquid foundations along without the risk of spills or leaks in your luggage. This innovative product ensures that your foundation remains secure and easily accessible, allowing you to touch up your makeup on the go or maintain your routine while away from home, making it an indispensable companion for globetrotters and frequent flyers alike. Number 5. DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, 16-pack. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This comprehensive 16-piece set ensures you have everything you need for any trip. Travel with confidence thanks to its TSA-approved design and superior leak-proof construction. Say goodbye to messy spills and damaged luggage. This kit includes bottles, jars, sprayers, and accessories, allowing you to carry a variety of products. The wide mouth design makes filling and cleaning effortless. Our innovative no-drip valve ensures you dispense the perfect amount every time. No more waste, just pure convenience. All items are neatly packed in a compact bag, saving you space and making it easy to carry. It's ideal for travel, vacations, and camping. This complete set includes everything from bottles and jars to sprayers and cleaning tools. Customize your travel essentials with ease. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive solution for all your travel toiletry needs. Its leak-proof design ensures your belongings stay safe and dry. If you're looking for a complete kit with diverse container types for various liquids and creams, this is the one for you. What people say. The container is made of durable, food-grade silicone, making it safe for storing food and easy to clean. Its leak-proof design ensures that liquids won't spill during travel, providing peace of mind. The collapsible feature allows for compact storage when not in use, saving valuable space in luggage. Number 4. Kitsch 11 PCS Travel Containers. Never worry about packing your toiletries again. This essential kit has everything you need for your next trip. Our containers are TSA approved, making airport security a breeze. Plus, they are designed to be leak-proof, so your belongings stay dry. These refillable containers are perfect for shampoo, conditioner, and more. Reduce waste and save money by reusing them on every journey. Keep your travel essentials organized in style. The chic black and ivory design adds a touch of elegance to your travel gear. This 11-piece kit includes all the travel size containers you'll need. It's the ultimate solution for hassle-free travel. What we like. These containers boast a chic black and ivory design, adding a touch of style to your travel essentials. They are also leak-proof for worry-free packing. If you appreciate aesthetics and need reliable, leak-proof containers for your toiletries, consider this option. What people say. The container is made of durable, food-grade silicone, making it safe for storing food. Its leak-proof design ensures that liquids won't spill during travel. The compact and foldable nature of the container saves space in luggage. Number 3. ERIOCTRY 10 ml Portable Refillable Pump Bottle, Pack of 6. Introducing our 10 ml portable refillable pump bottles. Perfect for carrying your favorite lotions, shampoos, and cosmetics on the go. These compact bottles are designed for travel, fitting easily into your bag or toiletry kit. The pump design ensures easy dispensing. Each bottle comes with a secure cap, preventing leaks and spills. Keep your belongings clean and protected during your journeys. Ideal for a variety of liquids, including creams, shampoos, lotions, and makeup. They are your go-to solution for toiletries. This pack includes 6 refillable bottles, ensuring you have enough for all your travel needs. Enjoy convenience and practicality. Easily refill these bottles with your preferred products. They are designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice. What we like. These small, refillable bottles are perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and travel. The pump dispenser allows for easy and controlled application of lotions and treatments. If you need compact, easy-to-use dispensers for smaller quantities of liquids like lotions or serums, these are ideal. What people say. The travel foundation container is designed with a leak-proof mechanism, ensuring no spills during transit. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for carrying in a purse or travel bag without adding bulk. The container features a wide opening for easy filling and cleaning, and the durable material withstands regular use. Number 2. Accmor 10 PCS Makeup Travel Containers with Spatulas. Crafted from high-quality, thick, and smooth acrylic, these small containers are built to last. They are resistant to heat and warping, ensuring durability for all your cosmetic storage needs. Available in 5 convenient sizes from 0.11 to 0.7 ounces, these mini jars are perfect for various applications. Their compact design makes them ideal for sampling or carrying just the right amount of product. With a wide mouth and straight-sided design, filling and retrieving products is a breeze. Their small size makes them incredibly portable, fitting easily into pockets, purses, or travel bags. These reusable jars are perfect for storing creams, balms, glosses, and more. They're also great for organizing small accessories like beads or charms, but please note they are not suitable for liquids. Each package includes 10 empty clear plastic containers with lids and 5 mini spatulas. This set offers a variety of sizes and colors, perfect for DIY projects and travel essentials. What we like? With 5 different sizes and durable acrylic construction, these jars are incredibly versatile. They are excellent for storing creams, balms, and other solid or semi-solid cosmetics. If you're a DIY enthusiast or need small, reusable containers for non-liquid beauty products, these are a great choice. What people say. The container is made of durable, food-grade silicone, making it safe for storing food and easy to clean. Its leak-proof design ensures that liquids won't spill during travel, providing peace of mind. The collapsible feature allows for compact storage when not in use, saving valuable space in luggage. Number 1. Frosted Glass Foundation Bottle, 2-pack, 30 milliliters. Introducing our elegant frosted glass bottles, perfect for your cosmetic needs. Their sophisticated design adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. These compact 30 milliliters bottles are ideal for travel. Easily carry your favorite lotions, creams, or foundation samples without taking up too much space. Each bottle features a convenient press pump for easy dispensing. Get the perfect amount of product every time, minimizing waste and mess. Designed for sustainability, these bottles are refillable and reusable. Simply pour in your preferred liquid or cream and use them again and again. This set includes everything you need, even a pipette and funnel. Filling your bottles is now easier and cleaner than ever before. Perfect for lotions, liquid body creams, and foundation samples. These versatile vials are a must-have for any beauty enthusiast on the go. What we like? Crafted from frosted glass, these bottles offer a premium feel and protect contents from light. The press pump ensures easy dispensing of lotions and creams. If you're looking for elegant, refillable glass bottles with a convenient pump for foundation or body creams, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The container is made of high-quality, durable material that feels sturdy and built to last. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, easily fitting into my luggage without taking up too much space. The leak-proof design ensures that my toiletries stay contained and don't make a mess in my bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.